I would like to announce a new course, Creative Sci-Fi Vehicle Design. At Aramis 3D Industries, we, and by we I mean I, am always trying to improve so that I can provide more value and educational content to my viewers. And with this course, I believe I have brought my A game and have delivered a course with better designs and visual appeal than my previous courses. In this course, you will learn how to use polygonal modeling as well as NURBS modeling to produce high-quality designs and assets. This course is intended for concept designers and modelers from all skill ranges to dive in and create a wide variety of interesting science fiction designs that range from realistic to whimsical. The course is launching with sections on a hover car inspired by Akira Toriyama, a slick streetcar, a stealth jet based on an orca, and a heavy-duty truck. But there are many more designs on the horizon, such as a hover bike, an APC, a forklift, and more. So I hope you guys dive in and enjoy. The link is in the description. Thank you for watching and take care.